2023 Super Air Nautique G23. Hull bottom Mystic White, rear stripe jet black with your main stripe Victory Red metal flake. Bright chromax on the boat, jet black telescoping tower on the boat with the Nautique strapless board racks, the 2 pairs of JL 8.8 tower speakers with custom enclosures, and then we have window tint to top it off. Let's go ahead and jump on inside of this beautiful 2023 Nautique G23. 2023 Super Air Nautique G23. Here on the interior, we'll go through color scheme first. Haze gray main with your accents of Victory Red and Mystic White with Victory Red stitching throughout the boat. You have the titanium gray sea deck throughout. We have the black telescoping tower on this boat, 2 pairs of JL 8.8 tower speakers in those custom enclosures with your Nautique strapless board racks, and then your hard frame bimini up top with your Nautique awareness cam sticking up right in the middle. So let's go ahead, jump on inside. Beautiful transom seats on the back. Take a look at the transom storage first. Tons of storage in G23s, all thanks to subfloor ballast. So in here, we have our 4 life jackets and throwable and dock lines we include with every boat. You also have your thruster motor in the back as well. This boat does have steering assist, so you have your thruster in the back. So you also have these nice life jacket holders there, or rope holders, whichever you want to hold. And then we'll take a peek at the motor. 6.2 liter PCM ZZ6, 450 horsepower. This boat has 187 hours on it, probably 188 after today, but super low hour G23. Hinge seating throughout the boat, so self-supporting hinges. Flip this up, all these seats just easily stay up by themselves. Tons of storage. Everything is pass-through, both sides. So if you have something super long, like skis or anything like that, you can slide them through the back all the way into this locker. You have your slide seat here. So grab the grab handle down below, pull it up. That is your surf view seating. So we have our lean back seat on the starboard side and the port side lean back up. So that is a full look at your surf view seating out on the water. So super easy seat to maneuver around. As you see, I'm doing it all with one hand. Very easy. So we have these up. If you want to collapse them, you just pull this little lever down, seat drops. Drain plug, pumps, batteries, all that stuff in the middle. Battery switch there. And then right in front of it will be your in-floor cooler. And we do have a little abrasion here in the sea deck. It's gonna happen when you're out having fun on the boat. All right, take a look under the OB seat. Tons of storage. I did notice, looks like they probably stored some boards in here. You see some marring on the subwoofer there, but as long as the subwoofer's making sound, I don't think it matters what it looks like. And we have a trash can in here. Obviously, it's not in the boat now, but there'll be a trash can there. Heated seats, both on the love seat and the driver's seat. And then you have heater hoses that pull out behind the driver's seat and then right under the helm. You have glove box here. Tons of storage in there. We have the camera. That's the passenger seat heat button there to activate that. Secondary head unit for your JL stereo system, and then some plugins here. Wave front stereo on the boat, so that gives you a additional 12-inch subwoofer, and then you have speakers under the dash, which in my opinion completes the stereo system. It's like surround sound in a boat, so it's super nice. Seat bolsters, seats in great shape. Yeah, I mean, it's a 2023, it's in really good shape. Power tower controls here, so hold the power button, hold down or up. Helm command, so volume, presets, speed control, home, and then tabbing throughout the menu. And then you can shift this left or right to tab through as well. On the screen, so we have home page at the top. music, ballast. So this boat is 3,450 pounds of ballast with the supplemental. And then we have your courtesy lights, docking lights, all that stuff, driver's seat heat. We have the maps on here, and then your settings. So 187.9, we're gonna be at 188 by the end of this. All right, so on the home page, that's gonna be kind of the bread and butter of this. You have your surf system. So right now our speed is at wakeboard speed, so our surf options are not available. But when we go down to a surf speed, you now have surf mode left or right here, and then your wave shape is 0 to 10 instead of 0 to 5. So that's going to be kind of the main deal on the screen. Then you have your your thruster option right over here. So when the motor's on, you'll have thrust right or left as an option right there, or you can turn it on auto steer assist. With the thruster, you also get rudder position, so you know which way you're steering. So you see those white rectangles populate. That is which direction your rudder is pointing. So great feature for the steering. Nice 360-degree mirror, so that's full swivel around. Awesome. Trash can here. We do have the pocket air dam in the boat, so really nice, conceals the air dam when you don't want it. Slides right out nice and easy when you do need it. Up in the bow, we remove the seat up here, but that is included. Tons of space up in the bow. Looks like they probably stored an anchor or something up here. It's a little scratched, but usually that's where you're putting an anchor up front. Other than that, you got C-deck lining all throughout the gunnel. All gunnels on the boat, C-deck topped, safe entry and exit. Do have some tint on the windows, so I think it's 25-30% tint. Beautiful boat. Give you one last look here at the transom. But awesome 2023 G23. Let's go ahead and show you some running footage.
All right, so here's Colin in the G23. Here we go. Got that NCRS plate working. Put that through a nice keyhole turn. This does have supplemental ballast in there. Nice tight turn, keeping the bow low. There it is, a beautiful 2023 G23 available now at N3 Boatworks. Hit us up for more info on this gorgeous G23.